So what do we got? We got a 2003 Suzuki SV650s. Currently about, what, 66,000 miles-ish, give or take. We bought it with 60, so it's got a few miles, but these things run like clockwork. Yeah. Yeah. Is this full system? Full Yoshi exhaust. Other than that, just frame sliders and ready to ride. It's got some grips. Got
this and that given me by
donated because I think I mentioned to you guys before, but I actually own this bike. Not this bike, but I had a 2005 SV650s, and it was yellow. Check out my Instagram, motor on exhhaust. I'll spell that out on the video, but I love these things so much, and so having a friend with one, it's just bringing back a tear to my eye. And we got a little rebel here to join the party. But yeah, so we're gonna ride this today, and he's gonna ride my Ep.1.
Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, also chain and sprocket kit. So
oh yeah, pretty
one
new.
Down in the front, 3 up in the rear, and 525 to 520 conversion.
Steering. Tires aren't horrible. They're getting there. Yeah, you put some miles on them. Yeah, mine are getting that way too with all these wheelies. Alright, so we're gonna ride. Weird. Alright, so initially I'm leaned over a lot further than I normally like to. And you look very comfy.
I'm pretty much where my arms would lay if I'm just like at a table.
Yeah. Alright, we'll go.
But there's a lot of like room front to back you can move your ass, so.
Yeah. Well, that feels good. Okay. Let's hear that thing. Oh.
Let's get out of here before we piss more people off.
Oh, this clutch.
Yeah, engage is a little far out.
Oh, I thought we were going left.
Man, I feel so far forward. Like, I feel like I'm gonna fall off the front of the bike.
Yeah, you kind of have to sit back a little bit.
And crouching down kind of helps a little bit, especially when you get on the throttle with this thing. Just throws you. I remember the very first time I rode it, I got on the gas a little bit, and like my torso just flew backwards.
Oh, use this clutch. I don't know what to use all my fingers for. Usually I just use them for one. That's pretty good. I forgot how flicky this thing is.
It's definitely a lot harder to lean this thing over, mainly because of the seating position and where like your center of gravity is. Because there you're kind of like high up and lean forward, so you just kind of like lean your body. Hello, cop.
Hello.
Lean your body off the bike, and then it just falls down. But with those tires, it's also not that great right now because there's just a massive flat spot in the middle.
I could feel it.
Oh man, the brakes are good.
Stainless steel, bro.
Wow. Yeah, those feel really good. Oops, sorry. Get out my lane. I remember last time riding this thing, everything about it was just torque and just melt your face off torque. But in 5th and 6th gear, it doesn't necessarily do that, so.
No, especially in B mode.
That's true.
Yeah, throw to standard.
Standard. 5th gear. I don't know if I could say I notice anything.
Really? Well, yeah, you're in 5th gear.
Right. Dude, this mirror, how the heck do you even use this? You can go first. Oh boy.
Make sure I'm in gear.
Yeah. This is weird. Are we good?
Oh shit.
Don't stall, don't stall. Holy shit! Okay.
What'd you do?
Man, I was not expecting that top end. Holy shit. I think I missed a shift and stayed in at like 8 or 9 grand. Holy shit. Is there anything coming up here like a speed camera?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Funny you should say that.
So I know we just passed that recently.
1150. This is a very...
Oh, here it is. Speed limit's 50 though, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is firm.
There you go. Normally, if somebody doesn't fly by, I just turn the throttle and I keep up with him. Like, crap, I'm not in the right gear. Thanks, brother.
I can't see anything. Ah! I only have one mirror, man.
I know. Get some footage of my own bike. I never get to ride.
Yeah. I love watching people ride my bike.
You do?
It's like, oh, that's how sexy I look.
That thing looks like it just murders the street.
It just sounds so beautiful. Oh man, the front brake is so nice. It's a clear point where it's like, all right, you're engaged. For mine, it's like real squishy.
Yeah, it's like you pull half the lever, nothing happens.
And then even when you do, it's like...
Wait, I was gonna say wait for that girl, but the car's blocking her now. She's checking you out.
Oh, because of my bike.
Where? Her?
In the Tahoe. She waved?
No, she just looked at me really, just weirded out.
Yeah, they used scooted Zach just to wave to her.
Missed the shift!
No way.
Oh! Woo! Missed the shift. Kinda glad I did.
So that's how big of a douche I am.
Hey, let's race! Oh
I'm
yeah,
like,
I'm
I got
much
you.
faster than you!
I'm like, I got him.
I fit the seat's like angled downward, so like
Yeah. That's the biggest
I'm like
problem.
rolling forward onto my balls.
That's the biggest problem with that seat. That's why everybody hates it. Not that it's super stiff per se, it's just sloping. So every aftermarket seat for that bike, the highlight is fixed sloping. Fixed sloping of the crush your nut. Oh, it's green.
Let's see what this thing can do.
Oh my god, it's bringing back so many memories.
Hello, three-wheelers. Good, a real bike.
It's amazing how quickly I remembered this bike and how it rides, but it's also, I forgot how uncomfortable it is. Look at this gravel here.
That's good.
Purposefully go right in. What you doing, buddy?
Where's the clutch? I was like, where's the clutch? Like, am I neutral? Man, that thing is gorgeous. This funny because I put all this money into like cosmetic stuff, and I was like, I never see it. Like, damn it.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad I could provide you the opportunity to look at it.
You came in real clutch there.
Clutch?
Clutch.
You can try to wheel it if you want.
No. This is the bike I tried to do a first wheelie on, and I racked my nuts so hard that I gave up wheelies for 2 years.
We're going to turn left at the light here.
This next one?
Yeah.
Ah, it sounds so good.
Me likey.
Yes, me missy.